Hello, my good friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. It has just been confirmed that millions of Americans will receive an extra benefit boost this month. Our federal government has decided to create more financial relief programs that will provide more stimulus payments to many Americans. There are now over 25 U.S. states and cities that are beginning to send out their own relief checks. So my friends, please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how you can claim extra relief money from your state or city. Also, be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. If you're interested in entering next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, do stay tuned for the keyword from this video.
It's been punishing, but we're coming back. And so many families are still struggling, though, to make ends meet because of inflation. I understand our top priority must be getting prices under control. Look, our economy roared back faster than most predicted, but the pandemic meant that businesses had a hard time hiring enough workers to keep up and production in their factories. The pandemic also disrupted the global supply chains. When factories close, it takes longer to make goods and to get them to the warehouse and get them to the store, and prices go up. Just take a look at cars. Last year, there weren't enough semiconductors to make all the automobiles people wanted to buy. They had a lot more money in their savings accounts and in their paychecks, but they weren't able to go out and spend it on leisure because of COVID. So what happened? They decided that they were purchasing products like everything from homes to automobiles to hard products. And the price of automobiles, for example, went way up. More people seeking them and fewer being made. And we have a choice. We have a choice. The way to fight inflation is to drive down wages and make Americans poorer, or have a better plan to fight inflation, lower costs and not your wages.
All right, my friends. So food stamp recipients in 31 states will receive extra SNAP benefits this month. The USDA has confirmed that the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program in at least 31 states will continue to send extra money, which is in addition to a recipient's monthly benefits. A majority of states, including New York, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and Ohio, will receive the payments. But if your state is not on the list, it may still approve emergency benefits in the next coming days and weeks. There are about 41 million Americans that are eligible for food stamps, which helps low-income families purchase groceries. Food stamps are often transferred onto beneficiaries' electronic benefit transfer cards. And according to CNN News, SNAP benefits are being provided to millions of Americans throughout the United States. This program has helped provide low-income households with so much food, especially during the crisis. The SNAP benefits notably received a permanent boost last fall, and that's thanks to President Biden. The USDA has confirmed that the food stamps increase on an average by $36 per person. This adds up to $157 each month, but the number of food stamps are sent to recipients is based on the family size and state of residence. CNN News has reported that SNAP households are expecting to spend about 30% of their own resources on groceries. These benefits are able to be used in some restaurants throughout the U.S. as well. Food chains such as McDonald's and Subway are reportedly participating in the program. The program itself is available in Arizona and California. Meanwhile, the states of Hawaii, Michigan, Maryland, Rhode Island are offering the restaurant meals program in select cities and counties. So my good friends, do you think SNAP benefits should be increased even more? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. The keyword for this video is palm tree. If you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. As lawmakers continue to negotiate on the next round of stimulus payments, according to multiple news sources, there are still some leftover stimulus funds from last year to help Americans during this tax season. According to CNN News, for some households, the remnants of 2021 stimulus programs could add up to thousands of extra dollars come refund time. So if you're one of the millions of Americans whose dependents qualified for some or all of the $3,600 child tax credit, the advance payments that you received every month through December were only half of what you're owed. The other half, up to $1,800 per qualifying dependent, will come back to you in the form of a refund when you file your tax returns. Many other families could be looking forward to an even bigger windfall in 2022. Some households qualified for the full child tax credit, but did not receive it or didn't receive all of it. Many people who didn't file tax returns in 2019 and 2020, and in those cases, the IRS did not have enough information on file to calculate the credit or send the payment. Other individuals deliberately opted out of advance payments. The third round of stimulus payments provided $1,400 to millions of Americans and their dependents. But many families had kids last year after those payments had already been calculated and distributed. For those new parents, they will be able to collect the cash that's owed to them as a refund once they file their 2021 tax return. Since many of those same new parents will be eligible for the expanded child tax credit as well, they can add another $3,600 to the tally for a grand total of $5,000 in stimulus added to the refunds this year. A smaller number of Americans was eligible for the economic impact payments, but never received their $1,400 American Rescue Plan payment in 2021. Some of these payments were missed due to errors like incorrect addresses. So in order to receive the payment, eligible filers will have to claim the recovery rebate credit on their 2021 tax returns. So my good friends, if you did not receive your $1,400 stimulus check last year, please make sure to claim the credit when filing your taxes. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Remember, if you're interested in entering next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword from each video that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.